Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Little Paradise. So today's video is going to be on the first transplanting of the cuttings. These are the cuttings from my last video. If you have not checked it out, please go and check it out first. The link is in the description box. So let's begin with soil preparation. We need fine-tilled soil for the chrysanthemum transplanting. So here I am first sieving the soil to get rid of the clods. Clod-free fine-tilled soil will help the plant to grow its roots vigorously. So here I have 70% garden soil, organic manure 20% and coco peat 10%. Give them all a proper mix and the soil is ready. Coco peat is used here to make the soil porous. Here I am using very less organic manure or fertilizer and rather more garden soil because the new cuttings will not be able to cope up with the huge amount of fertilizer as it has very minimum amount of roots now. Next comes the pot preparation. With 2 chip, make a bridge for better percolation of water. Then add some sand at the bottom of each pot for better percolation of water. Then add the soil mix to it. Take a garden tool and slightly lift the plant out of the sand. Don't just pull the plant out of the sand. Rather try to keep some sand intact on its root. As here you can see numerous new roots have grown. Now gently plant the chrysanthemum cuttings in the pot. Slightly press the soil so that the plant doesn't tilt after watering. For the first transplanting of the chrysanthemum, I am using 3 to 4 inch small pots. For the second transplanting, I will switch to a bigger pot. These plants will grow in the small pots for next 1 to 1.5 months. After that, we will do our second transplanting. There are few more things which should be kept in mind. After planting, the pot should be kept in a semi-shaded or partially shaded area, where it will get diffused sunlight but not direct sunlight. It should not be kept under open sky to avoid rainfall. Splash of water or prolonged wet foliage can lead to bacterial or fungal leaf spot disease such as Septoria leaf spot disease. Next comes watering. Water it daily. Keep in mind that plants should not wilt. Wilting in this stage may hamper the growth. As it is newly planted, for the first 2 to 3 days you may sprinkle water once a day so that the plant can cope up with its new atmosphere and doesn't get into the moisture stress condition. That's all for today. Here is the end result, all the cuttings that I have planted. The next video of this series, How to Grow Chrysanthemum, will be on organic and inorganic soil mix and the second transplanting. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. This will help my video to reach more people. As you know, YouTube algorithm works that way. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook page, link in the description box. Till then, take care, bye bye.